We're fair for takeoff, we're fair for takeoff. Ooh, oh crap. Forget about that thing. Let's take off. Prepare to land on Mars. Prepare for land on Mars. Yeah, we'll go around. No, both are still. And the second movie, this is the first movie, and following the second movie. Bye, and see you in the second movie. Hello, and welcome back to the second movie. Welcome back to the movie, and this second movie is about this alien comes, okay? And here it goes. Okay, let's take off and go back. Let's go to the sun. Okay. Hope there might be any aliens coming. Sure. And you might see me on the second movie, on the third movie, and then it'll come soon, okay? And goodbye. Here we are. Next, you're at the sun, or on the sun, but it's not burning hot. It's cold on the sun now. Ah! Aliens! We sure did kill that alien. Prepare for going on Mars now. Prepare for going back to Earth now. Okay. Prepare for landing. Prepare for landing. Nice work. Huh? Nice work there. What happened to the others when they went for a drink of coffee? Oh. Yeah. And that's the end, and goodbye.